In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Notion table. Open your browser and head to notion.com. If you're not already signed in, click Login. On the login screen, choose the Google option, then select your Google account to continue. Using a trusted sign-in method keeps things quick and secure, and once you're in, you'll land on your workspace. Next, create a new spot to work. Click Add a page in the sidebar to make a fresh page. Give your page a clear name so you'll recognize it later. After you name it, click in the empty space just below the title to start adding content to the page. Type a / and the word database to bring up Notion's command menu. From the options that appear, click Database, Inline. This creates a table right inside your page, which is perfect for organizing items alongside images. Now we need a place in the table to store the image. Click Add Property at the top of the table to create a new column. From the list of property types, choose Files and Media. This property type is specifically designed for images and files, and it will let you attach a picture directly to each row. If you like, you can rename this property to something descriptive, like image, to keep your table easy to scan. Before you upload anything, make sure the image you want to use is saved on your computer. If it's currently online, download it first so it's ready to select. With your property set, click into a cell in the Files and Media column on the row where you want the image. A small menu will appear. Click Choose a File. Your file picker will open, letting you browse your folders. Navigate to the image you saved, select it, and confirm to upload. Notion will attach the image to that row. You'll see a thumbnail right in the cell, and you can click it any time to preview the full image. If your table feels cramped, you can drag the edge of the Files and Media column to widen it so thumbnails are easier to view. To add more images, just repeat the same process in additional rows. That's it. You've successfully added an image to a Notion table. You now have a clean, structured way to pair visuals with notes, tasks, or any other data you're tracking. Save your page, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your images in Notion.